Today I would like to share you one amazing widget. It is called InfoSec. It is a widget from Widgets. So you can see here we have the current weather, we have FaceTime, map, and like small control center here to show the brightness. So I have like half of my brightness here. It is exactly the same. Now we have an emoji right there. And now let me show you how to have this and how to apply it on your iPhone. And now let me remove it from my home screen. Then what you're gonna do is to download the app called Widgets. It is free on the App Store. And then open the app itself. Now you're gonna go into Explore. And from Explore here, you're gonna sort the widget because there are too many here. And I don't know why this app don't have specific way to search the widget. But you can follow this one to add it. So tap on sort. And then make sure you uncheck everything from here, small, medium, and then extra large. So only check large. Then we're gonna click on the check button and scroll down a bit. And scroll down a bit, you're gonna find the widget from here. So this one, click on it, and then all you have to do, click on import. It will be imported into your widget manager. So go into manage here, and from the line widget, you can go ahead and select it. So select the widget, click on the check button, and then you can go ahead and apply it on your home screen. So go back into your home screen, and you're gonna edit it. Click on the plus button, search for widget. It is right here. Swipe all the way until you find a large one. So this one, click on the add button, and you will find the widget on the home screen. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this one. Then I will see you guys in the next video.